Tamiya Blockhead Motors Outdoor Fest 2025. What a fabulous day out it was. Well, I say a day out, it's actually held over 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Unfortunately, I couldn't attend on the Saturday, but I did go along on the Sunday and had a great time. Now, I went along last year. There's a video on my channel, so if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description below. Go check that out. This year, however, was bigger and better than ever. More places to run, more events, more activities, more exhibitors, the market. You could do absolutely everything. There was RC soccer, Pine Beach was there with their little mini course. Tamiya had set up various running areas as well. There was a ton of different exhibitions, camping goods, outdoor goods, RC related goods, all throughout the day. So many games, activities. On the Sunday, as you can see on screen now, we've got the Tamiya vintage meet. So it was basically some light-hearted, martialless racing with Tamiya's finest from the 1980s. There was also in the afternoon the RC walk, which if you've never done one before, definitely give it a try. It's almost a surreal experience to be walking through the forest with 100 plus. Well, there was way more than that. I think last year there was like 130 or something. This year there must have been getting on for 200 people walking with their RC cars. People of all ages, from very young children to seniors, everybody just taking a leisurely stroll through the forest with their RC cars. It was quite an amazing experience. In the afternoon, there was the 40th anniversary of the Hot Shot concourse competition, parade run. It's just a fabulous day out, and just great fun for the whole family. I had such a wonderful time. I definitely plan to go again next year. If you are in Japan and you are able to go along to one of these, highly recommended. Well, I'll shut up here and just let you watch some more of the footage. Thank you for watching Kai City RC, and I'll see you in the next one.